Hey, Maker's Journey here. Just came back from the flea market. I got some flea market finds. Let's go take a look. Got a bag of stuff here. Let's go into the shop and take a look real quick. All right. Today's finds at the flea market. We'll start with this one. Bought this at the last minute. It is Firecrackers. And I did get them at the flea market. I have not seen them in forever. Then I picked up this strap wrench. I thought it was pretty neat because you can change the strap just by unscrewing it. Thought that was cool. What do I got here? Oh, I picked this up just for ha-has, but it is a light. Tells you what the lighting is. I just thought it was cool. So I'm gonna put some batteries in that in a little bit, see if it works. Then I got this little jeweler's hammer here that has a little wobbly on it. Gotta fix it. And again, all of this, I think I got all of this. If I'd had to guess, maybe $20, $22, I think it was. And what else? Oh, I got this extension. And then I think I got one more item in here. And I got this little anvil. It's so cute. I think it's a jeweler's anvil. I've seen these at Michael's and things like that. They're not cheap. They're like 35 bucks. So, and I got this for $3. So, anyway, today's flea market finds. Want to know about any of this stuff? Leave a comment. I'm going to start doing a regular flea market finds video. See how this works too. Okay. So I was starting to look at these, and these have got to be pretty old. They're going off tonight. But I have not seen packages like this. And tell me if they still make them. Leave comments. But anyway, today is the 4th of July. That's happening. And then, of course, you know, it's been a long time since I've done fireworks, but we'll see how that goes.